This is the second part of the HEX Innovate series on basic HEX ezCAN installation. It gives a brief overview of how and where to supply power to an ezCAN by connecting it to the motorcycle's battery. For demonstration purposes, ezCAN installation on a BMW R1250 GS Adventure is shown. Generic ezCAN procedures may not apply to all motorcycles. If installation and other procedures specific to your motorcycle model are shown on hexezcan.com, be sure to follow them. If any tasks shown in this video are beyond your ability, consult a qualified motorcycle technician or electronics technician for assistance. Alternatively, send an email to support@hexezcan.com. When the ezCAN's main body is installed, installation of any model-specific HEX ezCAN continues, with connection of the ezCAN's power cables to the motorcycle's battery. All model-specific HEX ezCANs have battery cabling of a specific length, in anticipation that the main body is mounted as per HEX's recommendation. Remove the fuse from the ezCAN's fuse holder and leave the fuse lid off. This makes it easier to thread the fuse holder through any tight spaces. Note the exact route the power cables are expected to take. On this R1250 GS Adventure, the power cables are routed through the underseat cowl, under the rear edge of the fuel tank, along the upper right mainframe tube, and into the battery box. When routing HEX ezCAN wiring to the battery, run the wiring next to existing wiring, under body panels, and behind frame tubes. Make sure all wiring is kept well clear of moving components, and is not in danger of being cut, abraded, or overheated. On liquid-cooled R1200 and R1250 BMWs, remove the seats. Remove the fasteners securing the rear edge of the fuel tank. Remove the fuse holder. Remove the battery access panel. Remove the negative wiring terminal from the battery. Remove the positive wiring terminal from the battery. Connect the ezCAN's orange power cable to the battery's positive terminal. Connect the ezCAN's brown power cable to the battery's negative terminal. Always reconnect the negative terminal last. Reinsert the fuse into the ezCAN's fuse holder and close the fuse lid. Check the ezCAN's status LED. The LED should stay green for about a minute, then go out. Secure all power wiring. Make sure no power wiring run bunches or doubles back unnecessarily. If you still need to route accessory wiring runs along a similar route to that taken by the battery cabling, do not reinstall the fasteners securing the rear edge of the fuel tank yet. For model-specific HEX ezCAN installation instructions, read the installation guides at this URL.